What's up, everybody? My name is TheJ Jordan. Today is November the 24th of November, and I am here to do an unboxing. And I want y'all to see what I got and see what it is. You know what I mean? So let's, this one right here is, and all of them look like they from Amazon. This one right here is from Stronny Johnny, because he asked me if I was gonna be home today. I'm like, yeah, I'll be here. So let's see what this is from Stronny Johnny. The question is, what is this thing, Stronny Johnny? It said, grounding mat. Recharge your mind and body. Like quite as a fitness mat. Ain't that what it is? A fitness mat? It said Earth and Moon grounding mat for desk, reduce fatigue and stress, support energy and wellness grounding mat pad for bed. So you can use it's multiple things for this one. Let's see what it's. Let's open it up. Let y'all see. Grounding mat. This is from Stronny Johnny. Oh, let me see. Let's see what it's called. Twist it. It's like you got this thing inside says certification for testing. Over there is the inside. Let's see. It's a grounding mat. This is my first time hearing this. So, I guess if you're stressed out, need to ground yourself, use this mat. From what I see on this, as you see, let me try to get up there. So you can just ground yourself on the thing. Talking about ready for grounding, good vibes. So it's like to help you center yourself, experience the power of grounding in 3 simple steps. Test your wall outlet. Test your wall outlet. Is that a tester? Connect your grounding mat. So I guess you could. Let's see. Oh, wow. So this is the part you plug it into right here. It's like the plug-in though. They're like one of them plug-ins from overseas. You know what I mean? But no, it got this other. It got an adapter. Let's take it out. See how it goes. And you know why we don't read instructions, but let's see. I would say I'll put the link of this in the description. If I find it before I load this video, I'll give you the description. So it's about plugged in. I guess it's a open brown if it's in the center yellow, open neutral if it's on the far right. Let me see. Open hot if it's all white, and red ground reverse is the red and white, where red, white, and yellow. Hot neutral reverse is red and yellow and white, and correct if it's white, yellow, yellow, white, yellow, yellow. So I definitely appreciate this, Stranded Johnny. Definitely will have to test it out. Figure out how to test it out first. Figure out how to test it out. Okay. Put that there. As you see, we are experimenting today. So this right here goes onto this part like that. This right here goes somewhere on here. It goes like this probably. And we plug this in to the wall. A USA is a USA adapter. So let's see. $90 days. Test the wall outlet. Oh, this is just to see if the wall outlet works. That's what this is. This let me know if that outlet is good. Let's see. So, we'll get to that next time. But I will give you another update on this later. But thank you, Stranded Johnny. I will test it out today to see how it is. And I'll let you know what it's about. I'll let y'all know what it's about. But this right here is, it also how to register for the warranties on the back. Like it said, a lifetime manufacturer warranty, 90-day return policy, and we can vouch for 100% certification to test and giving you confidence in our product. I will try to find this and then I can put it in there so I can know what it is. But let's go to the second product. Let's go to the second product, right? Second product, right here. Let's open it up. Second product from Amazon. Let's see what it is. Okay. The Aqua Flosser. Portable water flosser. Flossing made easy. It said fresh jet flossing technology, 3 pressure mode, 2-minute auto shut off, long lasting rechargeable battery, cordless option, removable water tank for easy refill, and it's waterproof. It said a normal powerful stream removes debris between teeth and along the gum lines. The soft part is gentle mode for first time user and for those with sensitive teeth. The post is massage gums to improve overall teeth health. And what this includes is that it includes the Aqua Flosser, the 2 standard tips, the tongue scraper tips, the periodontal tip, the orthodontal tip, the travel bag, and the charge cord. All with this AquaSonic Aqua Flosser. So let me go show this to you so you can see what I'm talking about. You see? Aqua Flosser. So you can see what this popping off. Then also, I have bought one. I bought a flosser the other day, like a couple months ago, but at the same time, I think I misplaced the tip part, so I couldn't even use it. So that kind of sucks. Not gonna lie, that kind of sucks. So it comes with the brush. This is like the tongue scraper. This is the pick. Another one the bag. Plug in. Other part of the plug in. And the device is right here. All of it's in. And another pic of it. The different types. Another one. And it shows which one is which though. It just shows which one is which. It said warranty certifications right here. It also got useful tips and recommendation on how you use it. Before and during use of the Aqua Flosser, be sure to keep your mouth and lips closed around the nozzle to avoid unnecessary spilling, spraying, or leaking. Hold the device in the upright position. Position the tip of the nozzle between the teeth and along the gum lines at a 90-degree angle to dislodge food, plaque, and other buildup. This technique will boost circulation into gums and result in optimal cleaning results. And if you have any questions or concerns, please contact us at the support AquaSonic.com. And then we also have the user manual. So they show you how to do it. That's what's up. That's what's up. I definitely appreciate they have that right there. So I will give y'all an update on that one as well. But let's go on to the third product. The third product. The third product. And you see today I don't really have no music on because I'm using the phone that have my music. But hey, let's get this thing popping. Let me show y'all. And let me also show you, I think it's show you the price of that one. So here we go right here. I don't know how we get that. Got the blue one. Cordless. And it said 4.4 out of 5 stars. So, you know, you got a good rating. You know, you got to get something with a good rating. All right. Now we got 2 out of 3 done. Let's go to the third one. So now, on the third product, let's see what this one is. All right. The third product is Pink Lemon Braiding Gel. So when I would get my hair braided, the person was using my hair, when y'all said my hair was looking all nice and clean and fresh, they use this right here. Pink Lemon Braiding Gel, maximum hold, no flaking, long lasting hold, and shine. It's a 10-ounce, 284G. And it said, apply the product onto the dry hair using your fingers, mold, scope, and smooth hair as designed. And it said, keep out of reach of children, avoid contact with eyes. If contact, occurs, rinse thoroughly with water. And that's what it said. It said, English, it said maximum hold, fast drying, no flaking, no whitening, no high shine, and lasts up to 48 hours. Yeah. So let me go show you this one. Ladies and gentlemen, we have the Pink Lemon Braiding Gel. As you can see, we are going to turn over here to the front of it. And we're going to go, hey, look at that. Bam. Tell you the information about what's going on with it. They got it in English and they also have it in Spanish. Espanol. You got a scan me code if you need to scan something, you know what I mean? And let me show you where I got it at. I got, everything is on Amazon. For me, it's Amazon. So, this one is really easy. This one to get my hair braided, and I won't keep my hair in line. So this one is this right here. It's right now. I got it for $14. It says $14.99 for it, but we just gonna go right here. It's what it is on Amazon. Prices may change depending on where you get it at. But that's what I have for today and all that good stuff. But whatever y'all do, like I always say, do stuff at your own pace, own moderation. And I will put all this stuff in the link on my channel on the video. So if you want to order it, you better get it. And I'll probably put it in my Amazon link on my chart. So if anybody want fast access to get to it, just go to my thing or what I purchased on Amazon, and you can get it as well. So with that being said, I got the Aqua Flosser, and I got the pink lemon braiding gel is what I got, and then I also got the where you at? I'm on the ball trying to go and get a check. And this is what I got from Strunny Johnny. Is the drowning mat. Recharge your mind and body. Because I go through a lot of stuff. Why not recharge yourself? So with that being said, thanks everybody for stopping by. Remember to do stuff at your own pace, own moderation. Make sure you stretch, drink water, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. And remember, like I always say, fitness is key, peace, and hair grease. Yeah, cheese.